Hey everyone, I made it inside Marshall, so 25 for this shoe. And you know what? I know they have it in white, but I can't find it here. Here's a different Michael Kors, like on the print. These are 40. I haven't seen these before. And Cushioner that look like White Mountain is 20. It does have a footbed. And by Rock and Candy, 17. And Sincerely Jewel is going to be 25. This one is actually really cute. Really good Steve Madden dupe. Universal Thread up in Target. I was trying to remember that name. Michael Kors 30 and Madden Girl is 25. And by the brand Soda is 13. Rock and Candy again 17. Steve in New York, this one will be 40. I know they have a shoe like this in Walmart. We had the clear strap. This is by Cushioner. And more Sincerely Jewels for 25. And these are by G by Guess for 20. And Rock and Candy with the bling, 17. Okay, Mia or MIA, these are 30. They're going to have the Velcro. Again, you can find one in Walmart. Madden Girl for 30 with the elastic strap. So the clear slides are 22 and they are by Coach. A little red tag. These are Tommy, 13 from 20. And the Guess went down to 15 from 30. Okay, that's a pretty big jump. This is Catherine, 18. Oh, they covered that. I hate when that happens. This is 20 from 24. That one's Steve Madden. Blowfish, only $1. Jessica in the plaid. Okay, you could save this one for Christmas. 27 from 30. Katy Perry's Mad Potion. Has anybody tried Katy Perry perfume? It's only $7 here, so not bad. So the Moonlight, okay, by Ariana, which I kind of feel like we always see that one. Fantasy, Tommy, Boss. Okay, it looks like you get the body lotion and perfume. This one's gonna be $25 and a $20. Again, body lotion and perfume. Okay, that's cool. Falling in Love. Okay, we have Philosophy for $20. I haven't seen this one. Calvin Klein, $20. I think this might be it. Well, there's a Jessica one for $15. Boss Mom, oh my gosh, exclamation, $5. Do you guys remember that one? Kate Spade, $37. So you get the body spray and perfume, it looks like. Yeah. And this one's $37 too. Walk on Air, something like that. In Full Bloom is here. Vince Camuto, tons of Vince Camuto. Calvin Klein set. There's even a Betsy Johnson. And I know a lot of people love this pink sugar. Let's see, for $29.99, so $30. You get the shower gel, lotion, and perfume. Lip scrub, we have strawberry, vitamin C. Oh, I've never seen this one. Cruelty free for $4. Okay. Pore clearing clay. This is a mousse mask. Oh, a mousse one for $8. That's a new find for me. These are $8 too. What is this one? $5. Jelly face mask. Strawberry and vitamin C. Oh, that's new. They kind of look like slime. They look like slime to me. Here's a lemon one. It says gluten-free, no animal testing, made in the USA. Never heard of this brand. And let me get to the green one. It's gonna be a cucumber. Oh, really interesting. And look, you guys, I found Doja Cat dewdrops under eye pads. Only $5.99. What? Oh my gosh, I should get some. I know sometimes under eye patches are kind of like but you know, you put them in your fridge and you put them on. Only $5. I'm definitely gonna grab that one out. Exuviance, I think I have this one at home. Daily firming mask, yeah, $10. I do recommend Exuviance. I talked about it before. Oh gosh, they have a little mini one too. Now this one is a birthday cake. They're $4. What is it? It's a lip scrub. Okay, I've never seen their lip scrub, but I think we've seen like their unicorn, like body whip, boob butter, butt butter, right? From the same brand. Yeah, here's Unicorn Dreams lip plumping mask. Really cool. You can find this here. What is this one? Stars lip plumping. I want to get to this green one in the back. Oh look, it has like a little confetti in it. This is cute. That's a lip scrub, so it looks like plumping and a scrub. Nothing new in the face mask. These are good. Acne patches, red clay. It's a pore one. But yes, that is actually really good deal. And the strawberry eye balm, this one's $11.99. Now the one shot is here for $7. Honestly guys, I say skip out on it. Just go ahead and buy the face mask. I feel like they're much better. This is a really nice jar, right, for the cotton balls. And look at, we have the strawberry on top for $7. Of course, they're already done. And they say cotton swabs on it. Cotton swabs, hair things. Oh, this one's cute. Look at this cupcake one. $13. And then more of the Floral Queen. That's $7. And Manifest Magic. Okay, that's different. Beauty Concepts. We have an eyeshadow palette. That is $5.99. 1-800 blush. That's $4. Oh, it even has a telephone print. I don't know why, but this reminds me of 976 Evil. Have you guys seen that movie? I would watch it. Here's another one. It's like a little margarita, little martini one. This one's a highlighter for $4. Look how stinking cute. Oh gosh, so cute. So cute. What is the age you are allowed to wear makeup? Let me know, because I am going to have a high schooler, and I don't mind, but not like heavy stuff because she's little. But I was not allowed to wear makeup. Oh, look at this one. Dragon Beauty. That's $7. Really cute. It's only $4. We have the contour brush, and I like how it has the confetti in it. Look how stinking cute that is. Okay, that's cute. I would love that. And look at this one. Put this in a caboodle for your teen or yourself. Oh my gosh, that is so much fun. I love finding stuff like that. We got the lip mask, plenty of lip balm. I feel like they never really sell it. And you know, they're only $5. Hydrating lip mask. I normally just skip out on that. Lip scrub. Oh, what is this one? More lip stuff. Lip balm trio. We have cocoa butter, vanilla bean, and berry fizz. Vegan friendly, and they're $5. Little donut ones. Oh, I can't get over that. That's like really cute. I think I should grab these two and put them in a little caboodle for her. So these are $5.99. We have hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, collagen, retinol, day and night dual pack, vitamin C and retinol for only $10. Oh, here's this one. Vitamin C. Haven't seen this brand here. This one I'm not too sure. Maybe I have. Cover FX. This one's $10. It's a water optional cleanser. So you just like put the jelly on and don't rinse your face. A foam cleanser with grapefruit, cucumber. That gently removes makeup for all skin types. Brilliant Body Bundle. Okay, you get 3 in here. So you have coconut crush scrub, coconut melt, and this middle one might be like a sponge. Oh yeah, it's a body brush. Okay. And I hear this is a pretty good brand too. They have new bath bombs. Let's see, those are $5.99. Look at this strawberry one for $5. And there's one more. Oh, here we go. Galaxy and Sea Foam for $5. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it's gonna give you that swirl. So these came from Zara, $1.99 or $2. But like, are we missing a gem right there? Really colorful. Plenty of Nicole Miller. These are cute. I like this Love one. I know the Dollar Tree used to have something like the Love. These are $5.99. Little tiny ones for your hair. Those are $8. More scrunchies. We have the satin ones as well. Let me go down here real quick. What is this one? $4. Oh, it's a bracelet. That's really different. I've been noticing Zara a lot in Marshalls. It's a little mini Steve Madden for $20. Really, really nice. This is by Kate Spade for $30. That is really nice, and it feels like really soft. I love that, and it's a wide leg. That is really pretty. And this one is by the brand Born for $17. Let me pull it out. And more Kate Spade for $30. There's like a little bows all over it.
Morning, Marshall shoppers. Do you enjoy shopping here? Currently looking for part-time store associates for this location.
9 West for $15. Kind of like that brown zebra print. Vince Camuto, $13. This is really cute. They also have a pink one, which I think we might have seen before. And Juicy Couture for $13. You get top and bottom. Those are really, really cute. Okay, what is this one? By Tabitha, $17. Oh, it's like kind of like silky satin. Has little hearts all over it. It's like a nightshirt. More 9 West and the black, like the zebra again. Oh yeah, zebra. We have tie-dye. These are going to be the shirts. So this dress is by Calvin Klein. It kind of flares out. You know what? Honestly, it is kind of cute. Oh, it's a romper. Okay, they're shorts. But I wish the sleeves were longer and it flared out at the end, because that's kind of more my style. It's a really cute one by Calvin Klein, $40. It is long and flowy. It will wrap. Ties right here at the waist. And you do get the cami. And $25 by Anne Klein. Now I know we've seen these before. These are by Nicole Miller. Again, really, really flowy. But I like this one too. For me, I'm the type of person I would need to wear an undershirt. I don't know. I have like farmer tan going on, you guys. I'm brown, but oh no. Upper, I'm like a ghost. Calvin Klein sweatpants. These are $20. I love this color. We also have a tan. You get 2 in here by Yogalicious. And these are $15. Check out these BB sandals. Oh, red tag for $13. Okay. So they have the clear white one, not really clear, and the black. True Religion, is that on sale too? Oh, $13. So it looks like some of their stuff is on sale. Kind of cool. The Rampage, wow, they're on sale. I was just looking at these like a week ago, right? In the different video, and I really, really love the orange one. $13 and the black. Ooh, not bad. I love that orange. And this is really cute for $25. Look at that. Oh, it's a pant one too. Okay, really, really different. They do have a plaid one all the way down. It is pretty flowy, and I know the style is in. And here's some more small dresses. So 20 has like polka dots all over it. And this one's gonna tie at the top for only $20. And this one is by Jessica for only $20. I know this style is in. I'm kind of looking for a long sleeve one, I know, right? But maybe in like a purple color. It does go up to extra large here. This one is located in the junior department. Sometimes I can ask where they're located. It depends. Some stores have them in order. Some don't. Like in the category, $20. Another Jessica one. Pull this one down. Sheer on top. This is by the brand Taylor. I do like the sheerness, and a really bright pink. $40. DK and Y. By Max Studio. These are $30. You can also find plenty online, you guys. If you go to marshalls.com or TJ Maxx, you do know you could buy clothing, especially if you're looking for like that TJ Maxx handbag that everyone's going crazy about. $25. They do have them online, but you know, of course they might sell out. And it looks like we're gonna get into the reds over here. $25. And more dresses. $30. Oh gosh, it is like in the 90s here, you guys. Plenty of these floral tops. The floral is in. Oh, that one's really different. I always see this one. I want to buy it, but I want it to go down in price because this one is like $60. Bring it down and I will buy it. But this Marshall's location is one that you have to like really dig. This is 10. That's kind of cute. What is this one? I want to get to this fancy one. 25. So I found these swimsuit cover-ups. They're 25. But I feel like you could wear this as a dress, honestly. It's kind of cute. They also have the blue one by Blue Island for 25. See, I like this. I would just wear like a cami underneath and wear it as a dress, only if it was a little longer for me. Let's see, what is this blue one? It's gonna tie. You could pair it up with a denim too. Those are really, really cute. And this one is 25. My favorite would be the sleeves. I like how the sleeves flare out like that. And I did find this sheer pant for 20. They are animal print. And again, if you are going to a festival or something, you could wear this over there. These are 20. Look at the blue. 25. Oh gosh, look at that bright green. 25. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Marshall's location. This one is by Ellen Tracy. $13 for Calvin Klein. It's like a skirt and the top. They do have the bikini too. Those are $30. So they have a mix here with the skirt and the top or the shorts. That's actually really pretty for 25. You know what? We just seen a black one earlier. That's very tropical vibes. Thank you so much for joining me on these walkthroughs. My voice has kind of been all over the place, but I'm almost, a little better. 25. Those are cute. I like this one too. Ooh, there's some yellow right there. Let me see if I could get to that. Who makes them? They're only 20. Alright. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.